Welcome to our exploration of Plotly, a powerful graphing library that enables users to create stunning interactive charts. In today's data-driven world, visualizing data effectively has become essential for making informed decisions. Plotly stands out among other libraries due to its ability to create interactive visualizations that engage users and enhance data analysis. Whether you are a data scientist looking to present complex datasets or a beginner eager to learn about data visualization, Plotly offers the tools you need. As we dive into this tutorial, we'll cover everything from installation to advanced chart types, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage Plotly for your data visualization needs. So let's unlock the power of data together and see how interactive charts can transform your analytical capabilities. Before we can start creating beautiful charts, we need to install Plotly. If you're using Python, you can install Plotly easily via pip. Open your command line interface and type pip install Plotly. For those using JavaScript, you can include Plotly directly in your HTML file by adding a script tag that points to the Plotly CDN. Make sure you also check for any dependencies that might be necessary for your specific use case. After installation, it's crucial to verify that everything is set up correctly. You can do this by importing Plotly in your Python environment or checking the console in your JavaScript application for any errors. Once you have Plotly installed, you're ready to start creating charts that not only visualize data, but also allow for user interaction. Let's move on to the exciting part, creating our first chart. Now that we have Plotly installed, let's create a simple line chart. Start by importing Plotly's graphing library. For Python, you'll typically use import Plotly graph objects as Go. Next, we'll create a basic line chart using a few data points. Define your X and Y values and then use the Go figure function to create the figure. Don't forget to call show at the end to display your chart. Customization options are abundant. You can modify line colors, add titles, and adjust axes labels. Experiment with different styles to see what resonates best with your data. This basic line chart serves as a foundation for more complex visualizations, so take a moment to play around with the code and get comfortable with the syntax. As we progress, we will explore how to enhance these charts further with additional features and functionalities. With the basics in place, let's delve into advanced chart types that Plotly offers. Bar charts, scatter plots, and heat maps are all powerful tools for visualizing different kinds of data. For instance, bar charts are excellent for comparing quantities across categories, while scatter plots allow you to observe relationships between two variables. Heat maps, on the other hand, are perfect for displaying data density across two dimensions. Each chart type serves a unique purpose and can provide insights that a simple line chart may not convey. In this segment, we will walk through the code required to create each chart type. We'll also discuss scenarios where one chart type may be more beneficial than another, ensuring you choose the right visualization for your data story. By understanding the strengths of each chart type, you can enhance your data presentation and analysis significantly. Interactivity is one of Plotly's standout features, making your charts not only visually appealing, but also engaging. In this section, we'll explore how to add tooltips that display additional information when users hover over data points. This is particularly useful for providing context without cluttering the visual. Additionally, we'll implement zoom features that allow users to focus on specific areas of the chart, enhancing their ability to analyze data closely. The integration of these interactive elements can dramatically improve user experience and make your visualizations more informative. We will provide examples showcasing real-time updates as you interact with the charts, illustrating how dynamic data presentations can lead to deeper insights. By the end of this segment, you'll have the skills to transform static charts into interactive experiences that captivate your audience. Customization is key to creating charts that not only convey data, but also reflect your unique style. In this section, we'll cover how to personalize your chart's aesthetics, including colors, fonts, and layouts. Plotly offers various built-in themes that you can easily apply, but we'll also show you how to create custom styles that align with your brand or project. You can adjust elements like line thickness, font sizes, and even background colors to make your chart stand out. Moreover, we'll discuss best practices for color choices to ensure your charts are not only beautiful, but also accessible. By mastering customization, you'll be able to create charts that are not only functional, but also visually compelling, enhancing the overall impact of your data presentations. Once you've created your stunning charts, you'll likely want to share them with others. In this segment, we'll go through the steps to export your charts as images or HTML files. Plotly allows you to save charts in various formats, making it easy to include them in reports, presentations, or web applications. For web integration, we'll demonstrate how to embed your charts into dashboards or websites, allowing for seamless user interaction. Sharing your visualizations can significantly enhance collaboration and data storytelling, so understanding how to export and integrate your charts is crucial. We'll also touch on best practices for sharing charts in a way that maintains their interactivity and functionality, ensuring your audience can fully engage with the data. As we wrap up our journey through Plotly, let's recap the key takeaways. We started with the basics of installation, moved on to creating simple and advanced charts, and explored how to add interactivity and customization. Each step equipped you with the skills to visualize data effectively and engagingly. Remember, the world of data visualization is vast, and Plotly offers endless possibilities for you to explore. We encourage you to experiment further with the library, trying out different chart types and customization options to find what works best for your data story. As you continue your journey, consider diving deeper into Plotly's documentation and community resources. With practice and experimentation, you'll unlock even more powerful features that can elevate your data visualization skills. Thank you for joining us, and happy charting.